Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into a world of luscious curls and fabulous transformations. If you're someone who embraces those gorgeous natural curls, this video is your ultimate guide to maximizing and styling your curls to perfection with the magic touch of family hair care. The journey begins with embracing your natural curls. Celebrate the uniqueness and beauty of your curls, whether loose waves or tight coils. And with family hair care, you're about to embark on a transformative experience. Tangles are no match for your curly hair routine. Family hair care is your detangling hero. Apply small amount, gently comb through, and watch those tangles melt away, leaving your curls ready for styling. Curly hair craves moisture, and family hair care is your go-to solution to nourish your curls. Infused with natural goodness, family hair care will rejuvenate your curls from within, banishing dryness and promoting bounce. Say no to sulfate products. Choose natural products like family hair care. It is 100% natural and it is formulated for all hair types. Family hair care will help you to repair your damaged hair, grow hair fast and improve your scalp health too. Ever heard of the plopping technique? After applying family hair care, plop your hair onto a microfiber towel or an old t-shirt. This gentle method encourages curl definition while reducing frizz, a game changer for your routine. If you're in a hurry, reach for a diffuser attachment. Apply family hair care and attach, diffuse on low heat, and watch your curls transform with enhanced shape and volume. Preserving your curls overnight is a breeze with the pineapple technique. Gather your curls into a loose, high ponytail atop your head, securing with a scrunchie. This ensures minimal disruption and maximum curl preservation. Your journey to maximize gorgeous curls is underway. Share your curly hair stories in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe for more curly hair tips. Until next time, keep rocking those fabulous curls and embracing your unique beauty.